I can't believe we're best friends now. Yeah, I liked playing with you, I guess. It was very nice. Okay, so are we go get a roommate house now? Okay, sure, let's do that. Let me just call Espresso Cookie. Hello, Espresso Cookie? What is it? So, we want to get a house here because we have because we're friends now and all of that. So, do you want to So, can you meet us at town? Okay, sure. I'm already walking there. Oh, hi. Okay, so we want to get a house that's suitable for us. Okay, that would be £55. What is pounds? Money you use to buy stuff. Ah, yeah, I've only been in like snow worlds and I like pick berries or like something from the bushes. Okay, that's cool. So, if you want the money, how are we going to get £55? I don't know. Hi, it looks like you two need help. Who are you? Oh, you don't know me. I am the ancient cookie called Pure Vanilla Cookie. And I saw that Espresso Cookie asked for a bit much money. Yeah, that's almost like half the chart. Don't worry, I will help you. You'll really help us, Pure Vanilla Cookie? Ah, that's what he is. I think I mentioned my name earlier. Okay, so Pure Vanilla Cookie, do you have friends? Yeah, but my friends are in the, places in the Vanilla Kingdom. You rule a kingdom? Whee! Oh, I didn't know you could do that. I was just so excited, but I wanted to do something fun. Okay, that's cool. Now, I'll just give you some money, and you'll make the most of it, okay? Why are you helping them? They have to pay the amount. We don't have to pay the amount. People can help us if they want to. Yeah, they can. Espresso Cookie, can you just let these people go? Who are you? Ah, I'm Mont Blanc Cookie. Okay, that's my name. So, if you let them go, I'll make a costume shop around town. Well, that sounds pretty cool. Am I gonna get a costume? Of course you are. Almost everyone is gonna get a costume. So me and me, maybe. So you heard what they say. So you heard what she said. Let them have their house. Okay, but the next time I am wanting extra money from you. We'll meet when I want. Great job, guys. Great job, guys. So, Mont Blanc Cookie, when are you going to do the costumes? Did this guy came out from nowhere? I'm not a guy from nowhere. So, where could a house be located? I'll show you. I'll come too. Not for me. This is your new home. Hope you like it. It's so cool. There's even a couch. I'm gonna sit on it. Me too. But we need food. Don't worry, there's already essentials in this house. Yeah, there's already stuff when you go to a new house. Espresso Cookie did it. Yay! Yay! I guess we don't have to go to the supermarket. Well, we have to go sometime. Okay, I'll be off. That was suspicious. Well, I'll make you costumes now. I'm gonna open up the costume place in February. Okay, make it in February. Bye. This house is so cool. I'm gonna go get a snack. I'll be right back. I love this new house. And if you love the new house as well, make sure you leave a like. And maybe subscribe so you can see more videos. Bye.